to my channel. Today we're working on a 4th generation Dodge 2008 to 2018, removing the door handle. First you want to take the panel off and remove all your weather stripping around the glass. If you look here, this is through the speaker hole. You remove the speaker. There's 2 clips there you push, and there's an access panel towards the rear of the door. Push those with a screwdriver and lift up on the glass. The glass is literally just snapped in. Kind of hard to see. But once you know they're there, they're easy to find. You simply just push on those and raise up on the glass. The glass will come out. There's a better view of it out. Those are little tabs you push. There's 2 on each side. Okay, here you have this big heavy-duty plastic panel. There's 10mm bolts all around it. You just want to remove those and unplug a few harnesses there you see dangling, and the panel will drop down. You can see there's one of the bolts there. It's an 8mm or 5/16. There's 3 of them. You can easily access them on the rear with an extension or a nut driver, and from there you just pop it out. You have this one little locking clip in the corner, a little white clip. Should be fairly simple. That's it. That's all it is to it. Appreciate you watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.